Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, magre-review tayo ng isang lending application na nagpapautang up to 60,000 pesos. And before we go on pala guys, disclaimer, ang video ito hindi po sponsored, hindi po ako affiliate sa any lending company. I'm just sharing with you guys kung anong nakikita ko and kung anong aking experience sa isang lending application. Alright guys, so yun na nga at magre-review tayo po ulit-ulit lang guys. And ang lending application na ito ay si V Plus Fast Cash Loan and powered by Philippine Vastness Lending Corporation. And meron silang 4.8 na stars and then 4 case reviews. Ayan. So ayon sa kanilang application guys is safe and reliable. The interest rate is very low and loan up to 60,000 pesos. Pero sa isa na namang page nila is begin siguro to or start from 5,000 yung loan application and payable in 180 days. So, medyo nakakalito pero let's move. Ayan, so disbursement is apakadali, mga 3 minutes lang daw, ganyan, okay? Pagka-download natin guys ay ito na ang bubungad sa atin. Ayan ang kanilang dashboard and nagpapaloan daw sila or yung maximum loan amount sabi dito is 50,000 pesos. Ayan. And then loan term 121 days and annual interest 0.05% per day. Ayan. So, hindi po zero pag first time. May interest na po talaga siya. Okay? So, tap natin ang apply. Ayan. So, pagka-tap natin ang apply is papakita agad-agad yung mga ID na pwede sa kanila. So, driving license, PRC, SSS, passport, postal ID, UMID, TIN ID, voters ID, national ID, pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. So, pwede natin gamitin ang ating PhilHealth ID dito, okay? So, after which, ay next natin yung ating identity information, which includes our identification or our education, ayan, marital status, number of credit cards, tanungin number of credit cards, email, gender, residential address, and yung loan purpose po natin. So, after which, next natin, ayan, so, tatanungin din sa atin ang ating work information. Ayan. So, company name, company address, company phone number, profession, work experience, salary, ayan. So, ang daming tinatanong guys sa ating work information. Parang yung biodata na talaga. Okay? So, next thing is ang ating emergency contacts. And nangangailangan sila ng 5, ayan, 5 na contact information. Ayan. And after which is ang ating withdrawal information, e-wallet or bank. Ganyan. Okay? So, after which guys, update na natin guys. Okay? So, dito na. So, ipapakita na sa atin kung magkano ating approve na pwedeng mahiram sa kanila. So, sabi dito, 1,500 daw yung ating pwedeng mahiram sa kanila. And 0% interest daw. And yung service fee ay napakalaki. So, sabi dito, service fee, 570. So, 1,500 less 570 is equal to 930 pesos. Ayan. So 930 pesos guys yung ating amount receivable. Ayan. And pay into periods daw. Okay? Daw. Ganyan. Okay. So sabi dito, first payment, ang ating babayaran is 1,485 daw. Ayan. And that is within 7 days. So 7 days po ang loan term nito. And after so many months, ay babayaran natin yung 15 pesos. So, ano ba't magbabayad pa tayo 15 pesos? E, bayad naman na tayo. Ganyan. So, ayun guys, si V Plus. Ayan. So, sa mga nagbabalak guys na maghiram sa kanya or mag-try kay V Plus is nasa inyo guys. So, pinakota ko lang naman guys yung mga example or yung experience na nag-process ng loan sa kanila. So, it's up to you guys kung okay ba sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo pang i-try, andyan na sa inyo guys. Okay? So, thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!